Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English Chats.
Hi, friends. It's so nice to talk with you again.
Today, we talk about the new year.
Oh, yes, the new year. Lights, fireworks, food, and funny small problems.
So get cozy, maybe make a cup of tea, and join us for this easy English chat.
Warm chat, slow English, small words, big smiles.
Let's start with decorations.
Yes, New Year decorations. Very bright, very shiny.
In my house, I have silver and gold balloons.
Oh, I love balloons. I have some lights, too. Colorful lights near my window.
I put a big 2026 sign on my wall.
Nice. My sign fell down last year. I used too much tape. Maybe not good tape.
The streets look beautiful, too.
Yes, small lights on trees, banners that say Happy New Year.
I like when lights sparkle at night.
Everything feels happy. Everything shines.
What do you do on New Year's Eve?
Sometimes I stay home with family.
Me too. Warm blankets, snacks, movies.
Yes, sometimes I go to a small party with close friends.
I am shy. I like quiet celebrations.
I understand. I am quiet too. But sometimes I like music and people.
So your plan this year? Home or party?
I think home this year. Maybe pizza and a movie.
That sounds perfect. Let's talk about food.
Oh, yes. Always food.
I make small snacks. Chips, fries, maybe cookies.
I like noodles and fruit salad.
I also drink juice or tea.
I like lemonade or warm chocolate.
Sometimes I cook something big, but last year I burned my food.
Oh no! What happened?
I was busy chatting and I forgot everything in the oven.
Classic mistake. Every year someone burns something.
You can say, sometimes I burn my food on New Year's Eve.
Yes, it's true for everyone.
The best part for me, the countdown.
Oh yes, the countdown.
10, 9, 8, and then everyone says, Happy New Year!
Loud voices, people clapping, sometimes fireworks.
I like the sound of fireworks, but my cat doesn't.
Oh yes, pets are scared of fireworks.
Last year, my dog ran under the bed.
Coco did the same. She barked at the sky.
Poor Coco. She thought fireworks were enemies.
Yes, very loud enemies.
Do you watch TV on New Year's Eve?
Yes, I watch special programs, music shows, countdown on TV.
I like slow songs, soft music, perfect for New Year night.
After midnight, I watch fireworks on TV too. Much safer for my ears.
Same here. My neighbors make enough noise already.
Some people go outside to see fireworks.
Yes, it looks beautiful in the sky, but it's very cold.
I know. Cold wind, hands freezing, but happy faces.
You can say, I go outside to watch fireworks.
Or I stay home and watch fireworks on TV.
Another funny thing, sometimes we fall asleep early.
Oh, yes. Last year, I fell asleep at 11:30.
You missed the countdown?
Yes, I woke up and said, Happy New Year. Oh, wait, it's morning.
That's cute. I almost fell asleep once, but the fireworks woke me up.
Fireworks can be your alarm.
What about gifts for New Year?
I give small gifts, chocolate or candles.
I don't buy gifts. I write small cards.
That's lovely. Handwriting cards feel special.
Simple words, big heart. What's the weather like at New Year for you?
Very cold, sometimes snow.
I like snow, but only when I'm inside.
Same here. Snow is beautiful, but I want it behind the window.
I like cozy things. Warm drink, thick socks, soft blanket.
That's the best. Winter cozy life.
Let's talk about small problems.
Oh, there are many.
Lights that don't work.
balloons that pop,
Food that burns.
neighbors who start fireworks too early.
Or too late.
True, I like my sleep, but fireworks do not.
Sometimes I forget matches. Can't light candles. No glow.
You can say, sometimes I forget small things.
Yes, I do that even without holidays. Do you ever make resolutions for the new year?
Yes, small ones.
What kind of resolutions?
I say, I will eat healthy. Then I eat cookies.
That's a happy balance.
I also say, I will sleep early. Then I scroll my phone.
Same. Phones are too strong, they win every time. My resolution is simple. I will learn more English.
That's the best one.
And maybe I will be kind to myself.
Beautiful. More tea, less stress.
What are your wishes for the new year?
Peace, happiness, good health, more patience.
Nice. I wish for calm days, warm hugs, and maybe some travel.
Oh, travel sounds exciting.
Maybe next year I will see snow again. Real snow.
Come to my city. We have too much snow. I'll share.
Let's imagine the countdown together.
Okay, it's almost midnight. The TV is loud.
10, 9, 8,
7, 6, 5.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year!
Fireworks, cheers, hugs, messages on phones.
All around the world, same smile, same words.
After midnight, what do you do?
I send messages to family. Happy New Year! I love you.
That's so sweet. I do that too. Everyone sends hearts and emojis.
So many hearts. My phone battery says, no more love, please.
Mine too. So many pings and fireworks in my chat. Do you make a special breakfast on New Year's Day?
Yes, pancakes with honey.
I eat eggs and toast. Easy and calm.
I like slow mornings. No alarm, just coffee smell.
Yes, coffee smell. Perfect start. Sometimes I clean my house on New Year's Day.
Me too. Feels fresh. New beginning.
I open the window, cold air comes in, feels alive.
I like to start the year with a smile and clean floors.
Clean floor, clean mind.
Yes, we don't need big goals. We need peace.
Let's say some easy sentences about the new year.
Okay, calm and simple.
I have lights and decorations.
I stay home with my family.
I cook dinner and eat snacks.
I watch fireworks on TV.
I say, Happy New Year at midnight.
I make small wishes for the new year.
I feel happy and thankful.
I start the year with hope.
You see, a few small sentences can tell your story.
Real English. Not perfect, but real.
You already know how to talk about your new year in English.
Just use your voice. Say what you feel.
If you make mistakes, it's okay.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Every year starts with small steps.
And every English story starts with small words.
Let's imagine next year you talk with a friend.
You say, I stayed home for New Year.
You say, I ate snacks, I watched fireworks.
You say, my dog was scared, but it was fun.
You can do it. These are your sentences now. So before we finish, what is your wish for everyone listening?
I wish for peace, happiness, and courage to speak English.
That's beautiful. I wish for soft mornings, laughter, and good health.
Maybe also more cookies, less burned ones.
Yes, good cookies only. Thank you for spending New Year time with us.
We are very happy you are here.
You listened, you smiled, you learned.
Your English is growing like a small light in winter.
Keep listening, keep speaking, little by little.
And remember, every small word is a big step.
This was Everyday English Chats.
See you next time, and Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, everyone. Stay warm and keep smiling.